students of class 12th. Today I give again information that is necessary to you, that the regular classes have been started online of 12th class, first year class. So you have to attend daily the classes. If you have not purchased the books and the notebooks yet, you should purchase immediately and start regularly your study so that you may prepare for the board examination very well. So today I am going to tell you the headlines of the lesson. Topic is prose and the name of the lesson is Deep Water. It is written by William C. Douglas. So as I told you yesterday also, thus when Douglas was about 3 or 4 years old, he went to the beach or the sea with his father, and there were rising very high waves and they were also flowing on the surface of the water. The writer was afraid of them, and whenever the giant waves flowed, they dived into the water so that they may not be attacked by the dangerous waves. But the writer was afraid and was feeling suffocating in the water because he could not breathe, and that's why he was feeling uncomfortable. But after some time he again started to love swimming. Means he desired for swimming. He wanted to learn swimming, but he had fear also. One day when he was 10 years old, he went to the YMCA pool which was near the Yakima River. Yakima River was very dangerous, so his mother had advised him not to go to Yakima River because every day few of people died in drowning. So her mother every day reminded him that he should not go there and he should not try to swim there in the Yakima River. So he selected the pool, that's name was YMCA pool. It was beside the river. And when he reached there, he sat silently because he was afraid. The fear was in his heart still. The fear sustained in his heart. So he was thinking again and again if he should go alone or not. At last, a boy about 18 years old who was very high personality, who was boxer also, he mocked him because the writer was very lean and thin, skinny, bony, and that's why he was hesitating in putting off the clothes so that his body, naked body, might not be seen by other persons, so that the other persons might laugh at him. It was a very fear. There were two fears in his heart. One was to putting off the clothes, and second was that he might be dived. He was afraid of drowning into the water of the pool. So this was, there were the two dangers, and he was realizing and he was afraid of them, and that's why he was thinking again and again. He was hesitating to go into the pool. At the same time, a big boy about 18 years old who was muscular or boxer, bruiser, he mocked at him, saying him skinny boy, and asked him how he liked in the water, and lifted the writer and threw deep into the water. At that time he was struggling. He was feeling suffocating because he could not breathe for the long time. He went directly to the bottom, but he did not lose his wit. He made a plan through the feet. He hit very violently at the bottom of the pool, and slowly he started to come up on the surface of the water, but he was unsuccessful because his eyes, ears, and nose came out but not mouth, and that's why he swallowed a lot of water. And again he went into the depth of the water, and he was realizing again the suffocation because he was not able to take in breath. He was realizing as his heart was going to break, going to burst, and that's why he was feeling uneasiness, uncomfortable, and suffocation very much. He, the fear was terrible in his heart. When he came out of the pool, he sat few hours at the pool because he was not comfortable at that time. He was troubled. He had tension in his mind. When he reached his house, he did not eat anything that night because he was disturbed mentally and physically. He was very tired because he had to move his hands and feet. Feet were used in paddling or pushing himself in the water, and in this way he was much tired. That's why he could not eat, and he lay down on the cot. But in the night he cried suddenly. It was his awkward condition. He was feeling terrible condition. He was also suffering from physical pain, physical ache due to much swimming, due to much struggling in the pool. So I end here. I conclude the explanation. Tomorrow I will tell you, and I am sending you few question answers. You have to write down them in your fair copy. I hope that you will follow my instruction. Thank you very much.